Hey, I wanted to do a video on these two snakes here. So this is an Enchi Pastel, and this is a Super Enchi Pastel. And I wanted to show the difference. You can really see the difference on the head. Let's see if I can get his head out. So the head is a little more washed out. Get down, Daisy. You can see there's less washout on the Enchi Pastel. The Super brightens it a little bit more and dulls that darker black coloration that comes up about halfway. It's on the spine and then actually comes down about halfway that you typically get in a pastel. And the banding, I think it's a little bit more extreme. It's kind of hard to say. Maybe it's about equal. But just wanted to shoot that quick video for you guys and show you the difference between the Super Enchi Pastel and the Enchi Pastel. Like and subscribe. Thank you.